Welcome to Just Jackie, a monthly video series powered by Lydian Financial Services, talking all things lending and market updates. So let's jump in. Hi guys, I'm Jackie and welcome to the July edition of Just Jackie. As always, this video series is to give you a few tips and tricks to make you aware of other lenders in the market. Nothing will ever trump tailored advice. So let's get you connected with your local lending advisor. Just click the link provided. Okay, straight into it. We were cheering this month as the Reserve Bank of Australia kept the cash rate on hold at 4.10%. I swear I heard a collective sigh of relief throughout all of Australia at the time of the announcement. So what can we expect next? Well, here's what some of the big banks are saying. So ANZ predicts one further hike of 25 basis points, which would bring the cash rate to a peak of 4.35% in August. Per the bank's most recent predictions, rate cuts may not be likely until November 2024. CommBank's most recent prediction is that the RBA will make one further rise of 25 basis points, likely in August, bringing the cash rate to a peak of 4.35%. CommBank also predicts that there will be cuts starting in the first quarter of 2024, bringing the rate to 3.10% by the end of the year. NAB expects that there will be two further cash rate hikes this year, bringing the rate to a peak of 4.60%. They anticipate that there'll be cuts beginning in May of 2024 and that the cash rate may reach a level of 3.10% by the end of 2024. And lastly, Westpac is currently predicting cash rate rises both in August and September, bringing the cash rate to a peak of 4.60%, where they expect that will remain until at least May of next year. They expect cuts of up to 25 basis points to occur throughout 2024. Remember, these are only predictions, so regardless of what happens, your lending advisor will help you through. Moving on to some lender interest rates. So Qudos has a no-frills basic loan with a variable rate of 5.59%. This is a principal and interest loan with a 70% loan-to-value ratio. They also currently have a market-leading 5-year fixed-rate principal and interest repayment at 5.59%. Thank you, Qudos. Macquarie Bank has a package loan with a principal and interest variable rate of 5.79%. This features both redraw facilities and an offset account with a 70% loan-to-value ratio. For our investors, we're liking Firstmac's variable rate of 5.74%. Now, this rate applies both to interest-only and their principal and interest loans. And also, Bank of Australia has caught our eye with their offer of 3 and 5 years fixed rate of 5.84% for interest-only loans. And to finish off with, as always, we have a question from Bronte and David in Sydney about the First Home Guarantee Scheme and how to get it. Firstly, guys, this national scheme is available for first home buyers having never owned a home previously, for borrowers looking to borrow greater than 80% of the value of the property, and avoid the hefty lender's mortgage insurance costs. There's a minimum 5% deposit required. Price caps do apply, but you can be eligible with a purchase price of up to $900,000 in Sydney. Other cities do differ. Income is also assessed. Joint applicants can earn up to $200,000 combined income, and single applicants up to $125,000. After meeting the criteria, then you need to find a participating lender to 1, approve your loan, and 2, has a place in the scheme as numbers are limited. However, great news is that 10,000 new places within the scheme have been issued for the 2024 financial year, with currently 35,000 places available. This can all sound a little much, especially as a first home buyer, so make sure you reach out to your local broker to get your first home buyer's grant approval and lender pre-approval together. Thanks for your question, guys. And that's it for the Just Jackie update for July. Lots of things happening at the moment, so make sure you keep an eye out for our next installment. As always, send any questions my way and I'll answer them in our next video. Have a great month and I'll see you soon.